Hello everyone. It's another cloudy and cold day in KwaZulu-Natal with rainfall over the province. While on the Highveld, it is slightly cooler today, but it remains quite warm, and along with that, a bit of moisture's moved in, and there's a possibility for a few thunder showers over the area. Things are warming up in the Cape provinces, and we're expecting it to be a hot day on Friday for the Northern and Western Cape. Moisture continues to move in over the far eastern parts of the country. That's brought about lots of cloud cover for the area during the first half of the day, extending from the northern lowveld all the way down to the wild coast of the Eastern Cape. On the Highveld and further westwards, it's been a mostly sunny start to Thursday. Let's take a look at the rest of today's weather conditions, and we're expecting the cloud cover to remain in place in the east, along with rainfall, which is still expected for KwaZulu-Natal, especially near the coastline. Some of that moisture has spilt over onto the Highveld, and within the warmer air, there's also a possibility for thunder showers in the northwest, Gauteng, as well as the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Westwards, sunshine prevails for the remainder of the day. Let's take a look at your rainfall probabilities, and we're seeing rain continuing over KZN, mainly into this evening along the coastal areas of the province, while on the Highveld there's between a 40 and a 60% chance for thunderstorms. That includes Gauteng towards Rustenburg, just touching the Mahikeng area, and we're going to see a good chance for thunder showers today over the southern parts of Mpumalanga. A bit of drizzle still possible along that eastern escarpment, mainly into this evening. Temperatures for the rest of today, and it's going to be especially hot in the Northern Cape, where Uppington gets to 33, Mahikeng not far behind at 32 degrees, and we've seen cooler air move into Gauteng. Johannesburg, you get to a maximum of 27. Cold conditions over the eastern parts of Mpumalanga, especially on the high ground, indicated by the shades of green, and we can see similar conditions over KZN and the Eastern Cape, with many areas remaining below 20 for the rest of the day. Winds this afternoon will be light to moderate, between 10 and 20 kilometers per hour, but a southeasterly wind is in the process of freshening along the western coastline of the country, and it will be especially gusty in the area for tonight. Cape Town, as we head into tomorrow, warms up quite a bit, 28 degrees as a maximum. A slightly cooler day expected for Saturday at 23, and a weak cold front just clips the city on Sunday morning. That will bring a bit of rainfall to the area, but it's not going to be too bad with a high of 20 in the afternoon. Monday will be dry and warmer, and Tuesday gets even hotter with a maximum of 25 degrees under partly cloudy conditions. Friday for the rest of South Africa, and there's a possibility for thunder showers over the northwest, including Mahikeng, and we could have some rainfall in the morning for Durban and Richards Bay, but things will be clearing up later on. On Saturday, a narrow band of thunder showers is expected for parts of the Highveld, and we could even have a few thunderstorms extending into a much warmer KwaZulu-Natal. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of